Okay, here's a quick little video on a new FAA rule that is going to be coming out on Monday, requiring that anyone who owned a drone before Monday will be required to register a machine that weighs between a half a pound and 55 pounds by February 19th, 2016. Also, there'll be a 30-day grace period that you'll have to register this drone. After that, it'll be $5 for a 3-year period. So the most common drone out there is the Parrot 2.0, and let's find out how much it weighs. So we'll turn this on and wait for it to zero out. Put the drone on there, and it says it weighs 11.6 ounces. Already is more than a half a pound, and with the battery it comes out to 15.2 ounces. So, all things considered, the Parrot AR drone must be registered before Monday, December 21st in order to comply with the Federal Aviation Administration rules. Thanks for watching.